Just like fashion on the runway, interior design trends are all about making bold statements and embracing new styles each season. In 2025, we're seeing crossover trends like monochromatic palettes, rich earth tones, and unique textures, finding their way from high fashion into home decor. Think of your space as your own runway, where you can layer colors, mix metals, and add those statement pieces to that wow factor. Get ready to bring a touch of the catwalk to your interiors. Each year, fashion has a significant impact on interior design. And by no means are the trends for 2025 any different. So guys, let's jump into this video. Welcome to Design Cafe by Jag. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top interior design trends for 2025 that is going to blow your mind. From the interesting bold colors to the transformative ideas for your spaces, it's going to be breathtaking. If you're ready to bring fresh, bold energy into your space, then stay tuned. I'll show you what's shaping up for 2025. Come on, let's talk design. First up, diving into 2025 must-see color tones with an exciting twist on traditional hues. Yes, I said traditional hues. Experts are predicting a shift towards warm, comforting colors. Think honey neutral, serene blues and greens, and vibrant ruby reds. Guys, do you hear the traditional coming in there? Classic shades like neutral grays are still looking fresh, especially for spring and summer of 2025. And when paired with black and white, it brings a timeless feel to any room. But here's a trend that's really shaking things up. Swapping black for brown tones. Yes. Swapping black for brown tones. I told you guys, these trends are going to blow your mind. Using rich browns instead of black creates a softer, more welcoming feel while still grounding a space. Imagine a deep chestnut or chocolate shades for accents, giving rooms a bold yet warm depth. And to make it easy, let's look at the paint company's colors of the year to see this swap in action. These brands are showcasing shades like Benjamin Moore and Sherwin-Williams, which bring out those warm reds and browns beautifully. So, if you're ready to embrace this earthy, sophisticated palette, these colors can transform your space for a trendy, inviting look in 2025. Now let's move into the next trend that is going to blow your mind. Solid color rugs are on trend for 2025, bringing a sleek, minimalistic appeal that modernizes any space and complements various design styles. Their low profile creates a refined, upscale look that doesn't compete with other decor, allowing statement furniture or bold artwork to shine. By choosing a solid color rug, you can reinforce your room color palette with on-trend hues like earthy browns and serene blues, adding cohesion and flow throughout. Ideal for high traffic areas also. These rugs are easy to maintain and provide a polished, contemporary backdrop, making them a versatile, stylish addition to any room. If you're already inspired by these design trends and want to transform your space, I offer personalized design services to help bring your vision to life. Let's work together to create a home that's modern, stylish, and uniquely yours. You can reach out to me. My contact is in the description below. Let's work together and make your dreams for your home a reality. Next up for 2025 trends, drum roll. I've been talking about this all through 2024, is monochromatic palettes. Okay, I've been talking about this. Monochromatic palettes in earthy tones. Now, we have all kinds of different monochromatic palettes, but this is in earthy tones. So earthy tones are set to trend for 2025, bringing a serene, grounded feel to interior. This approach leans into softer, muted shades that layer beautifully, creating depth and calmness without overwhelming the senses. Guys, you know, I talk all the time about these muted colors in 2024 and how I was gravitating to it. Well, they are following us into 2025. They are going to be trending heavy. Inspired by design styles like wabi-sabi and japandi, these palettes embrace subtle variations of neutral colors. Think warm brown, soft beiges, and gentle greens to create a harmonious, timeless look that feels both refined and cozy. Next, in 2025, there's a renewed focus on classic design styles that bring timeless appeal to interiors, helping to move away from fleeting trends and creating enduring spaces. Classic styles emphasize quality materials, balanced proportions, and elegant details, which stand the test of time and offer flexibility as the core preferences evolve. From traditional architectural elements to refined furniture choices, incorporating classic design can add a sense of history, depth, and sophistication to any room. By embracing timeless styles, you're investing in a space that remains stylish and relevant year after year, reflecting a thoughtful and curated aesthetic that's truly personal. If you love staying up to date with the latest in design and want inspiration for creating a beautiful, timeless spaces, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay? Join me for more tips, trends, and expert insights to help transform your space. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tell a friend to tell another friend that we're giving away free tea over here on Design Cafe by Jag. Now let's move on to the next trend for 2025. For 2025, this one blew my mind, so I know it's going to blow your mind. I never thought that I would see these two together, but here we are. 2025 is bringing mind-blowing design, styles, and inspiration. Okay, here we go. The fusion of minimalism and maximalism is a trend that is all about creating harmony between simplicity and statement. This style brings clean, minimal backdrops with striking, bold pieces to spark visual interest without overwhelming the space. Think of it as a canvas of natural tones and uncluttered design. that highlights one or two standout items, like a vibrant artwork, a sculptural chair, or a unique lighting fixture. The result is a balanced look that feels curated and, most of all, intentional, offering a refreshing way to add personality without sacrificing the common essence of minimalism. Structural lighting is a standout trend for 2025, bringing bold architectural lighting fixtures into the spotlight. Inspired by wabi-sabi and industrial styles, this trend embraces lighting as structural elements. Fixtures that blend raw materials like metal, concrete, and natural textures to create a minimalistic yet impactful look. Wabi-sabi inspired lighting leans into organic forms and imperfections, celebrating simplicity and nature's beauty, while industrial lighting adds an edgy urban touch with exposed bulbs and metal frames. Together, these styles elevate lighting from a functional piece to a work of art, making it a focal point that brings character and depth in any space. Guys, thank you so much for watching this far. Let me know down in the comments what design trends or tips you'd like to see in the next video. What would you like to see me dive into more in the next video? I love to hear your ideas, and I want to create content that is going to inspire you. Okay, so let me know down in the comments. Now let's move into the last two of the design trends that you're going to be seeing in 2025. I think the older that I am getting, I embrace this next trend. I have been embracing it over and over. It brings me peace. And this next trend that you're going to be seeing trending in 2025, design is going to be all about simplifying spaces with thoughtful layers of color and texture, embracing a concept known as quiet luxury. This approach uses a modest, restrained palette to create subtle depth and richness without overwhelming the eye. Instead of bold, attention-grabbing pieces, quiet luxury favors hidden gems, small, high-quality details that reveal themselves upon closer look, like refined fabrics, soft neutral tones, and carefully chosen textures. It's a design philosophy that celebrates elegance in simplicity, where luxury is understated and every element serves to create a calm, inviting atmosphere. Quiet luxury. I love quiet luxury. This is going to be my favorite trend in 2025 because this trend is going to bring you peace in your design, peace in your space, peace in your home. And the last trend that we're going to talk about for 2025 is going to be the mixing of metals. Yes, the mixing of metals. We're already mixing metals, but it's going to be mixing metals on a different level and using different hues of metals. This trend is going to take center stage, but we're moving beyond the usual chrome and gold combo. This year, it's all about bringing in more character with metals like brass, rose gold, and even antique finishes. These warm tones add depth and a touch of sophistication to any room, and combining them creates a layered, eclectic vibe. Don't be afraid to blend multiple tones. Mixing cool and warm shades gives your space a fresh, modern look that's anything but basic. So don't be afraid to mix metals in 2025. Go bold or go home. You see how the antique is coming in, which brings in the traditional elements of the colors that we were talking about before. When you're thinking about design, you have to think on the full scope of everything. Okay, so all these trends that I am seeing coming for 2025 is going to be amazing, and I can't wait to do some decors using these trends. Okay guys, that wraps up a look at the exciting design trends coming for 2025. From structural lighting and mixed metals to the balance. There are so many fresh ways to elevate your space. Whether you're drawn to warm, earthy tones, bold accent pieces, or subtle layers of texture, 2025 offers something unique for every style. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which trend you're most excited to try. See you on the next video, as we are going to be talking about trends that are on their way out in 2025. Until next time, let's keep designing spaces that feels like home. Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.